Welcome to the Rise Reset, a kingdom mindset framework for men who refuse to stay down. My name is Rodney Shipley, and this training is for those rebuilding their lives, faith, and finances after the storm. RISE isn't just motivation. It's a biblical blueprint. It stands for Restore, Ignite, Serve, and Elevate. This isn't theory. It's how I rebuilt after loss, injury, and starting over at 50 with nothing but faith. Restore means rebuilding your mindset and identity in alignment with Yahuwah. You can't build kingdom purpose on broken beliefs. Romans 12:2 reminds us to renew our minds. That's where healing begins. Ignite means fueling your faith and passion. It's time to stop waiting and start walking in purpose. Colossians 3:23 tells us, whatever we do it with our whole heart. Serve isn't about being busy. It's about being a blessing. You've survived something others need to hear. As 1 Peter 4:10 says, each of us has a gift. Use it to serve others well. Elevate means increasing your influence without losing your soul. You don't chase platforms. Yahuwah promotes the obedient. Psalm 75 says, promotion comes from Him. So let me ask, are you ready to rise? If this hits home, your next step is simple. Download the workbook. Book your one-on-one RISE Reset session, or join the full R.I.S.E. experience. Thank you for watching. And remember, you weren't buried, you were planted. Now it's time to rise.